Can you put the ducky in your farm? Put it in. You can do it. Say, Daddy, can you move out of the light a little? There, that's better. Can you put it in? Oh, it's okay. Pick it up and try again. Oh. Yeah? Can you put it in? Almost. It's almost there. Almost. Can you put it back in? Ethan, can you put the ducky back in? Hey. 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 Look at what Daddy's got. Daddy's got the ducky. Can you put it in? Yay, Daddy! Can you clap? Yay, good job. Clap for Daddy. Now can Ethan do it? Good job. Clap for Ethan. Good job.
That's a good boy. Where's all the other pieces?
Say, Daddy, they're lost. But I clap. Yeah.